We have now disassembled the Philips voltmeter, and as you can see, it's currently taking measurements. We can quickly find the source of the clicking, which appears to be these reed relays. Here's 3 of them right here, and over here is 3 more. What's interesting is if we turn it around, we find another one, but this one's different. This one isn't encased in the coil. Instead, it's pretty much naked, and there are 2 pieces of iron which conduct the magnetic field into the actual reed switch itself. And if we're really observant, we can actually notice that this is the reed relay which is actually making the clicking noise. Let's see if we can get this in view here. I think we can see it right there. So that's the one moving down there, which is making the constant clicking noise, which it makes every time it takes a measurement. Over here is where the actual input goes into the board, and around it there's lots of resistors and transistors and plastic capacitors, all sorts of stuff. One component I found interesting is this one over here. I don't know, let's see if we can make that one a bit more visible. There we go. I don't know what this one's doing here. It looks to be a neon gas indicator, which can probably shine in orange when there's a high enough voltage across it, kind of like a modern old school LED. I don't know why what that one is supposed to indicate, or maybe it's some emergency discharge if there's too high voltage for the nixie tubes or something like that. That one's kind of interesting. We can flip it over because there's more on the bottom. Something like this. Here we find the 74 logic, lots of it. There are also some coils, or probably transformers, as it appears they are winded in the transformer style. And again, I'm guessing these are really small transistors. And then your normal resistors and ceramic capacitors and so on. And on the back there is a power supply for 110 and 220 volts. There's some typical large transistors, probably for pulling down the voltage to 5 volts or something for the TTL logic. Another cool thing we can do with it, since there's lots of relays on it, is we can put it near a very strong magnetic field. In this case I have a neodymium magnet, which probably can pull 50 kilos. And if we hold it just right, we can make it stop completely. And then all the readouts stop as well. And we can let it continue. So that was an overview of the Philips voltmeter insides. Thank you for watching.